We have seen what are truth terms, how to use them, and the comparison operators. Along with that, we also saw three more operators, namely and, or, and not. So, in this session, we are going to see how to use and, or, and not, and where to use it. That is a truth table. So, what is a truth table? Truth table is nothing but a table of outputs from all the possible inputs. In technical terms, it's also called as a mathematical table used in logic that sets out the functional values of logical expressions for each combination of values taken by their logical variables. So of course this looks a little bit complicated. So instead of digging into more into this term, let's see the practical examples of it. So here we have a truth table for not operator. So the values of comparison, we always know that they either be true or false. Now if we are using a not operator, so not or false becomes a true as an output. And when we give not of true, it becomes false. So not actually changes the true to false and false to true. Here is a truth table for AND operator. So let's say we have two values as an input, which is namely A and B. So the combinations for each one of those could be a 4 combination because A can be either true or false and B can either be true or false. So hence we are combining them together, we will get 4 combinations which are namely true true, true false, false true and false false. So when we use AND operator along with this A and B as an input values, we get true and true, true and false, false and true, and false and false. So the output that we will see here after using an AND operator is for true and true input, the output is true. For true and false, the output is false. For false and true, the output is false. For false and false, the output is false. So hence, we can deduce that if both the inputs are true, then the output is true. Otherwise, it is false. Now here is a truth table for OR operator. Again, we have two values as an input, A and B. And since they are two values, we have 4 combinations as we had for the AND operator. Now when we are using OR operator, so the true or true becomes true as an output. When we have input as true or false, the output is true. False or true, the output is true. False or false, the output is false. So hence, we can deduce here that if both the inputs are false, then the output is false, otherwise it's true. Now let's see the next truth table, which is about not and. So basically we have seen the and, or, and not operator individually. Now here we will use them together. So when we have not of and, the same truth table can be said to have an operation of not A and B. So where as we have a 4 combination, not of true and true will give an output as false. Not of true and false will give output as true. Not of false and true will give true, and not of false and false will give true. So here we can see that not and will result in exactly opposite of the and results. Similar way, not or will also result in exactly opposite of that of the or results. So here you can see that not of true or true is false, not of true or false is false, not of false or true is false, and not of false or false is true. So here also we can see that when we are using not operator, every output which was supposed to be true gets converted into false, and false is getting converted into a true. So this is what is there in truth table. Now we are going to see few of the Python programs where we are going to use this logic in our programs. So let's get started.